Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This is the first of the tutorial summer that I am having here on my channel. So that is every week a short tutorial of the, let's say scrapping 101 or papercrafting 101. So therefore it is called Scrap with Me or Papercraft with Me. And today's first tutorial is on folding and scoring. So we are going to score 3 different ways. So the first method of scoring is maybe the easiest one, and that is to use a scoring board. This one is a Martha Stewart scoring board, but there are several different brands out there who offer these in larger or smaller sizes. This is a one fitted to a 12 by 12 inch sheet. Now I'm scoring a piece of cardstock here, and you put it onto your scoring board. You look at how long your piece of paper is. Mine is 10.5 inches and I want to score it in half in this case. So that would be 5 1/4 of an inch. Now cardstock is always a bit sturdy, so I do more than one score line. Some people do just one like this. But my experience is that 2 or 3 times gives for a crispier scoring line. So there you go. So that is the first way to score. Now as for folding, some people question whether they fold on the bump or on the valley, as it were. And I always fold on the bump. It seems to me that that limits the bursting of your paper or the cracking of your paper. So in this case the bump is here, so I'm folding on the bump. And then burnish the fold, and there you go. So this is a clean and crisp fold there. So that was the first way, the scoring board. Second way is a different kind of scoring board. Now this is a paper trimmer, actually, a Fisker's paper trimmer, and their trimming blades are orange, like this. This is the trimming blade. But they also have scoring blades, and these are black. So this is a scoring blade. And then you can use your paper trimmer as you would use, when you were trimming. So you have your measurements here and your piece of paper. This time I'm scoring a piece of design paper, you know, just for variation. This one is 12 by 12 inches long. So I am going to score it at 6 inches because I want to score this one in half as well. So I'm putting my paper here at the 6-inch mark, and then I'm going over it with the scoring blade a couple of times. And there you go. Now the advantage of using a paper trimmer with a scoring blade is that you can be far more precise with all, especially when it has centimeters as well as inches, because the inches only go up from 1/8 of an inch. But the centimeter one, it also has millimeters, so you can be far more precise with your measurements there. So that is the second way of scoring. And we're going to fold on the bump, of course. And there you go. Now the third way, the first and second ways of scoring both use sort of a tool or a machine even. Not everyone has those, so I am going to show you a third way of scoring, and this is by hand. It's the honest handcrafting. You need a ruler, you need scissors, or something else sharp, maybe a scoring a bone folder or a scoring folder. But in my opinion, the scissors are even better. Though you have to be careful, because if they are too sharp, you can actually cut through your paper, which we don't want to do. Now this is a test piece of paper. I am using a cutting mat because I am using scissors. And this has centimeter lines here, so just for the heck of it, I am going to use these lines for my measurement. So I am going to score with my ruler like this. So putting the ruler at the place where you want the score line to be. Taking my scissors. Now be careful, as I said, don't push too hard and just go over it like this. Or like I said, you could use a scoring blade or a bone folder or some such. And there you have your scoring line, and now you have a crisp fold here as well. So that is the third way of scoring. So I hope to have, well, helped you here. So there are 3 ways. We had the scoring board, we had the paper trimmer with the scoring blade, and we had the scissors and a ruler or bone folder. 3 ways for you guys. I hope to have helped you, and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.